Distracted and started now. Here we go.
In 5, 4,
3, 2, 1. There we go. Once again, one gate lowered. You can see totally not a FingerTech kit. Does have a build purpose driven to drive Drifter out of the arena. Drifter with some more potent weaponry. Right now we have our motors pitted against each other. Torque against torque there. As we walk into position, they might be searching for a pin and initially grab. So most of this, we get to that 3-minute time. So far, a lot of action happening. We haven't reached the scorecards just yet. But totally not a FingerTech kit. Coming close to having a pin there, getting control over Drifter's wheels. Once again, we have a shoving match. We'll see who manages to get some traction. With those kind of FingerTech kits build, it makes it a little tough to get because they're wide and large wheels to help them maintain control even when they're pressed up against the side of the arena there. We've got a high performance match with a lot of this area, and we've got our first pin. With the time, I've run halfway down. It looks like there's a little bit of pressure.
Come on, release.
And we have our first step here.
Hey, stop the fire!
And in the circumstance of two of our robots getting stuck, they might need a few human hands to help them out. The timer is paused. We will separate the robots and then make sure the arena is closed as here before restarting the timer and resuming the match.
3, 2, right.
And right up again, the game coming on the FingerTech kit goes and gets a pin against Drifter. The speed is increasing as they continue to battle across the arena. Be aware of the open gate on the south side of the cage. One wrong move with these high-speed, high-octane robots means that they are having to be very vigilant and make sure that they don't run themselves out of the arena by accident. And now with the pin being very close to the exit, Drifter is